I am a seismologist, and what that means is that I use seismic waves to make images and models of the subsurface. For my PhD, I looked at really deep earth down to 2,000 kilometres into the earth, but now I look at about 1 kilometre beneath the earth, so 1,000 metres. And the reason why I look at this is to try and characterise the rock properties for engineering. So imagine there's a source here and there's loads of receivers here. As the energy travels through the ground, it picks up all of these properties that the rock has, and we can actually use all of that information as data. Because there's a lot of data, then we need to build a model to explain all the data. You've got to work together with different people with different skill sets in order to develop these models, and I write little programs to enable me to do that. What I like about modelling is that it can be really exciting. So you go from sometimes a very simple model when you only have a few data points, and then you get more and more data in and you build the complexity of the model, and you can see it develop, and how once you start to have more data you can actually unravel more and more properties about the rock, and sometimes you get really surprising results that you just didn't expect at all. It's the sort of thing where you produce a model and you get loads of people crowding around you and you're discussing the model and where it works, where it doesn't, what needs refinement. And I think it's I like the teamwork aspect of modelling. Many people use modelling without even realising it. It's just that some people have more complex models than others. A huge advantage of being a numerical modeller is that I do all of my modelling through the computer. I can work in Leeds but log into London, I can log into Brazil. There's all of these different places that I can log into from my laptop. Computer-based modelling is a fantastic way to have a flexible working environment. I would say trust your instincts. I mean, if you like maths, if you like problem solving, like physics, stick with the subjects that you really like. So always go down that route. Do the things that you love, because you can always add on extra subjects afterwards if you feel like you've got a gap in your skill set or gap in your strengths. Always surround yourself by positive people who really are encouraging and see you for you. Don't change yourself during this process. You should be building a career that is based around what you like doing and who you are. So yes, take your time, be true to yourself, and work hard.